All right, welcome everyone to the November 2nd Rook community meeting. I'll go ahead and share my screen and get started. I can find the right window. All right. So can you see? I think you should be able to see my, my agenda here. Yep. Okay, so we're got the usual things going on with the releases. So 1.6, I'm trying to think if we have any backports that went to 1.6 that we would need a release for. I didn't think to check before this meeting, but maybe in the next week or two we can look at that and finish it off, or do one more just to make sure we've got everything there. Let's see. There's one more admit here. Got Alexander joining.
Oh,
yeah. Alexander. He's connecting to audio still. Anyway, so yeah, let's look at doing a 1.6.11. I'm not sure it's urgent in any way. For 1.7, to keep with our biweekly cadence, this Thursday would be 1.7.7. I think that'll be good to do. And just keep that going until 1.8 is out, probably the biweekly makes sense. But nothing urgent either that I can think of. Oh, let me just double check the release board. Let's see. Make sure nothing's in progress or blocking the release. Yeah, just a few small issues here. Work resources should be created with the recommended labels. Yeah, that's been in progress for a while and not blocking in any way. And also removing an unnecessary SFFS name arg. Okay. Yeah, and I know Parth has both of those and he's out this week on holiday. So we'll get them in a future release. All right. And then any other comments on 1.7? All right. Then 1.8, we've still got the usual plan. So the 1st of December, we'll plan on getting that first beta release out. And then a week later on the 8th, we'll plan for the release. I've got a couple of notes later in the agenda about things to look forward to in that. But the board, a few days ago, I tried to make sure it was sort of up to date. A bunch of things in progress. And yeah, a bunch of things we will work on eventually. So comments on 1.8. All right, let's go down to the community topics. I added a few of these just as status things to make sure we're on the same page. So with the 1.7.6 release a couple weeks ago, Seb, Blaine, and we all got on a call together and did the release. So I think all three of us are trained up now and ready to do that. So maybe Blaine, would you want to do the release on Thursday? Well, if you're not, depending on how the dentist goes.
Yeah, I don't expect it to be that bad.
Yeah. All right. Just maybe we can start a rotation there as far as who does the release. But yeah, I think it went pretty smooth last time with Seb doing it, and if others want to get in the rotation too, I think we just need maintainers to be the ones on point to do it. So yeah, all good there. So I think we're all aware commit prefixes must be more specific now, no more Ceph prefix. I think that, yeah, it'll just be helpful for the release notes as well. Okay, changing directory structure of examples. I was kind of thinking, well, we're within a month of the release. Maybe by next week we could do it, or end of this week or something. So yeah, Blaine, your note there says, yeah, maybe have a month to get used to it.
Oh, yeah, that was my vote. I think probably soon. It's gonna probably cause us to have some like PR conflicts, but I think that always was gonna happen.
Mhm. Right. So it feels like the backports to 1.7 are at least slowing down a bit. Well, and maybe after this merges, we'll find that we'll just backport fewer things anyway and just wait for 1.8. So it's about the right time. Seb, what do you think?
Yeah, I don't mind waiting really last minute for this one, or I can just go for rebase. We have a month. Yeah, I'm not really expecting too many backwards as well, but yeah, if we really have a month, looks like a long window, maybe 2 weeks before or something, or
Okay.
like what's the urge?
So we could
Yeah,
wait
there's no-
until after 1.7.8 maybe.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'd like to really get it as close as possible, if possible.
That's true. It probably will cause a lot of backport conflicts. So to reduce the pain, we can wait a bit longer.
Right.
Yeah, and let's see, what's the calendar look like? We've got, yeah, just wanted to make sure we're not conflicting with holidays. So 4/7/8 would be the week before Thanksgiving here. So I think that might be good.
And that's effectively before we cut 1.8.
Mhm. Right. We'll probably have the 1.7.9 around the same week as 1.8. But yeah, doing it after .8 sounds good.
Yeah, I think we probably want to make sure like whatever beta, like whatever 1.8 beta branch we like start, we might want to start it with that change already made. I guess
Yeah.
maybe it doesn't matter that much. It just seems like something that might be tricky to backport itself.
Mhm. Yep. Sounds good. Any other comments on that? For the, okay, onto the Flex conversion tool. We're hoping to have it out ready for testing in the next week or two, and definitely available before the 1.8 release, so people can migrate their Flex volumes to CSI. So I'll feel better once the tool is out and we have confidence in the tool, but we're getting close. And yeah, we're missing the owners of the tool in this meeting, so we'll follow up there. And then the last item, we've got crew plugin status. Okay, no changes since last week because of work on the Flex conversion tool. So that's the right status there. I think after Flex conversion tool is ready, then be good to get back and just add a bunch of commands to the crew plugin and get the next update out. Make it more useful. So I think, yeah, with the 1.8 messaging, maybe we could try and push for people to be aware of the crew plugin as well.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. That's a natural kind of space to be like, this exists. It's currently in, kind of a beta state or whatever, but
I think it's a good
useful.
topic for a blog post too.
Yeah. And it's probably a little too soon to try to use it for the upgrade guide, but that's kind of that's one of my secret desires, is to have some of the commands that we use just to like see like how is the upgrade progressing, be in the crew plugin. So instead of doing a thing with like a long JSON selector, just
Right. That's a
Run
good
it.
idea.
crew
I
plugin.
mean,
command.
the one thing we really have in place so far is to run Ceph commands, like toolbox commands
Mhm.
with that. So maybe we could replace all of those direct Ceph commands with the upgrade guide for 1.8. That'd be cool. That makes sense. So, yeah. Sounds good. And then that brings us to the end of the items on the agenda. Are there other things we should talk about getting ready for 1.8 or anything else? Alexander, welcome to the call. Anything on your mind?
Hey, Travis. Nothing on my mind.
Cool. I guess it'll be a quick meeting then.
I don't think I have anything else to add here.
Maybe we can add our, because we did we mention the KubeCon talks that we had?
From the last KubeCon?
Somewhere, yeah, somewhere in the doc. Have we linked the sessions? If not,
Oh,
I
I
guess we
see.
can do this.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
I guess, yeah.
You're adding it already. Yeah, the recording should be out now. I haven't gone and looked for them yet.
Yeah, yes, they are. Yeah, so yeah, I have the page. Well, I did this CAD session. So this CAD session has, where is the chat? This is the CAD session, which has the presentation, but that doesn't have the video. And this is the video. If you want to pass this.
Cool. Sounds good. I guess we'll find the other couple of links offline.
Yeah,
I
sounds
can add
good.
those.
Thank you.
All right. Well, have a good day, everyone. And we'll
Yeah,
call it
have a
good.
good day. Yeah,
Have a good day.
see you in
All right.
2 weeks.
See you.
Bye.
See ya.